Smart pooling is an artificial intelligence-based tool for massive testing of COVID-19. This is a project from the Responsible Research line at Sinfonia, and it includes experts in AI such as the EPFL and the Biomedical Computer Vision Group, as well as epidemiology experts such as Project COVIDA, the GenCore Laboratory at UniAndes, the Swiss Tropical and Public Health Institute, and the London School of Hygiene and Tropical Medicine. The World Health Organization declared COVID-19 a pandemic in March. Since then, there have been over 19 million confirmed cases and more than 700,000 deaths. Because there is no vaccine, massive testing is essential. Nevertheless, massive testing is costly because it requires specialized personnel and laboratory supplies. That is why we pose the question, how can we make testing more accessible for everyone? Pooling strategies have been approved in some countries and are currently used to increase the amount of samples tested with the same resources. Nevertheless, these strategies are not useful at high prevalences of the disease. That's why we created smart pooling, a method that uses AI to predict the probability of a sample being positive and then gives an intelligent ordering to the samples in order to optimize resources in the testing process. Smart pooling is easy to implement in test centers. We use clinical, epidemiological, and socio-demographic data for our predictions. This data is distributed through space and time so we can make different types of mappings. We also do a continuous learning scheme to improve constantly our models. Our preliminary results show that for all prevalences, smart pooling has greater gains compared with current strategies. Besides, smart pooling has the potential to triple the number of patients that are tested using the same amount of resources. Smart pooling shows efficiency gains even at critical conditions of the evolution of the pandemic. Currently, we are in the process of implementing smart pooling in some regions of Colombia and internationally at the Gambia. We expect that smart pooling can be implemented worldwide, as it is an example of the ethical use of AI to bring social good.